Creating a seamless infinite marble run loop is actually pretty simple. Here is how I set it up. Step 1. Build the track structure, making sure the starting point is high enough to give the marble plenty of speed. Before we move on to the next step, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell. Step 2. Roll the single marble down the first path and capture the shot. Then, place it back at the top and roll it down in the opposite direction. Step 3. Bring both clips into CapCut. Select the clip recorded in the opposite direction and apply the reverse tool. Now, both takes flow continuously in the exact same direction. Step 4. Trim the clip so the end connects smoothly back to the start for that infinite loop effect, then top it off with your favorite sound effects and filters. And here is the final result. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, comment, subscribe and share. See you on our next video.